1. AMD Ryzen Threadripper 9980X. Unveiling its superior performance in early benchmarks. 2. AMD's 96-core Threadripper CPU. A game-changer for workstations. 3. AMD Ryzen Threadripper PRO 9000WX series pricing revealed. 96-core 9995WX for $11,699. 1. AMD Ryzen Threadripper 9980X. Unveiling its superior performance in early benchmarks. The workstation revolution has arrived. AMD's Ryzen Threadripper 9980X shatters expectations with up to 16% multi-core performance boost. Imagine having the processing power of a small data center at your fingertips. Welcome to the realm of AMD's latest behemoth, the Ryzen Threadripper 9980X, which is redefining the workstation landscape with remarkable generational leaps in both single and multi-threaded operations. Benchmark Blitz. Geekbench numbers reveal the 9980X's dominance. As the retail launch of the Threadripper 9000 lineup approaches, benchmark leaks are pouring in, and the flagship Zen 5 workstation CPU Threadripper 9980X is consistently impressing. Fresh from shattering world records at Passmark, this processor has now comfortably outperformed its predecessor, the Ryzen Threadripper 7980X, in Geekbench tests. https://browser geekbench.com/v6/cpu/128980002. With a single-threaded score of 3,259 points and a multi-threaded score of 28,666 points, the 9980X demonstrates an 11% increase in single-threaded and a substantial 16% boost in multi-threaded performance compared to its forerunner. To put this into perspective, we've compared it against one of the best benchmark showings of the 7980X, making the average uplift even more pronounced. What's behind the magic? The Ryzen Threadripper 9980X retains the same formidable 64 cores and 128 threads as the 7980X but supercharges them with the cutting-edge Zen 5 architecture and higher clock speeds. A base clock of 3.2 GHz and a boost clock of up to 5.4 GHz. A noteworthy 300 MHz increase over the 7980X. Despite matching the 7980X's 350W TDP, the 9980X achieves superior performance per watt, making it a powerhouse for enthusiasts and professionals alike who demand the capability to handle massive computational workloads. But here's where it gets controversial. Is the pursuit of ever higher core counts and clock speeds sustainable in terms of power consumption and heat management? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And for the enterprise sector, the Threadripper PRO 9000WX series promises even more unparalleled processing, might with configurations offering up to 96 cores and 192 threads. With some retailers already listing these processors for pre-order, https://wccftech.com/AMD Threadripper PRO 9000WX series listed on a retailer pre-order to commence on 23rd July. The wait won't be long. Source credit * at BenchLeaks. https://x.com/benchleaks/status/1945796881541464227. We want to hear from you. Do you think the performance gains justify the anticipated price premium of the Ryzen Threadripper 9980X? How do you envision the Threadripper PRO 9000WX series impacting the enterprise computing landscape? Share your insights and engage with our community in the comments section. 2. AMD's 96-core Threadripper CPU. A game-changer for workstations. Get ready for a groundbreaking leap in computing power. AMD is set to launch its latest 96-core Threadripper CPU, and it comes with a hefty price tag of $11,699. This new powerhouse is part of the Ryzen Threadripper PRO 9000WX series, which is based on the advanced Zen 5 architecture. Scheduled to hit the market later this month, the flagship model, the Threadripper PRO 9995WX, boasts an impressive 96 cores and 192 threads, making it a formidable choice for high-performance workstations. Mark your calendars for July 23rd. On this date, major manufacturers like Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Supermicro will begin offering high-end workstations equipped with the latest Threadripper 9000 series processors. For those who prefer to build their own systems, these processors will also be available through AMD's network of channel partners. In addition to the top-tier 9995WX, AMD will provide several other options at varying price points. The 64-core Threadripper PRO 9985WX will retail for $7,999. The 32-core Threadripper PRO 9975WX will be available for $4,099. The 24-core Threadripper PRO 9965WX will cost $2,899. And the more budget-friendly Threadripper PRO 9955WX will be priced at $1,649. Each of these processors is engineered to excel in professional rendering applications, such as Chaos V-Ray and Adobe After Effects, ensuring that users can achieve faster and more efficient workflows. But wait, there's more. The PRO 9000WX series processors are not just about raw power. They are also tailored for local AI applications. This includes tasks like fine-tuning models, performing inference, and developing AI applications. AMD claims that when conducting a context-based prompting inference test using DeepSeek R132B, the Threadripper PRO 9000 outperforms Intel by a staggering 49%. This performance boost could be a game-changer for developers and researchers alike. What about the non-Pro models? AMD has yet to disclose the pricing for its non-Pro Threadripper 9980X and 9970X processors, but it is anticipated that these will be significantly more affordable, making them an attractive option for DIY enthusiasts looking to build powerful systems without breaking the bank. So, what do you think? Is the price of the new Threadripper CPUs justified by their performance capabilities? Or do you believe that there are better alternatives available? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 3. AMD Ryzen Threadripper PRO 9000WX series pricing revealed. 96-core 9995WX for $11,699. Sticker shock or engineering marvel? AMD's freshly announced Ryzen Threadripper PRO 9000WX family is about to test just how far enthusiasts and professionals will dig into their pockets, because the 96-core flagship tips the scales at a jaw-dropping $11,699. But here's where it gets controversial. Is that four-figure price tag a fair exchange for near supercomputer performance? Or does it cross a line even power users won't tolerate? First, the essentials. On July 23rd, AMD will roll out its next-generation Ryzen Threadripper 9000 series processors alongside the new Radeon AI Pro R9700 GPU. While the broader 9000 lineup exists, AMD's launch spotlight is locked on the workstation-grade 9000WX chips, not the enthusiast-oriented 9000X models, which remain conspicuously absent from AMD's latest blog post. That means the initial wave primarily targets pre-built professional systems from OEM heavyweights such as Dell Technologies, HP, Lenovo, and Supermicro. If you prefer building your own rigs, relax. DIY sales are still on the table through AMD's global channel partners, provided your budget can keep pace. How the Threadripper story evolved. A quick rewind. When the first Threadripper debuted, it stunned the market by delivering enormous core counts at prices once unthinkable for desktop users. Over time, AMD repositioned the brand away from hobbyist overclockers and toward the high-stakes world of workstation and enterprise workloads. Think complex simulations, massive content creation pipelines, or AI development. The 7000 series already cemented that strategy, and the 9000 series doubles down with Zen 5 architecture, higher boost clocks, and support for existing WRX 90 and TRX 50 motherboards, so many current owners can upgrade without replacing the entire platform. Official price list and why it matters. AMD has now confirmed retail pricing, and it's actually lower, yes lower, than a recent retailer leak by $300 to $1,300 depending on the model. A Ryzen Threadripper PRO 9995WX. 96 cores / 192 threads.